No wonder Zoom Text Intro is the travel vlogger's favorite intro of their videos. It is quite cinematic and impressive for the audience to arouse the interest of your content. However, it won't be a hard task to achieve this effect in Filmora. In this video, we will teach you how to create video in Text Intro. Hey everyone, welcome to the Filmora MVP YouTube channel. Here we teach you editing tricks, filmmaking, and camera techniques. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel and also hit the notification bell to get updates on our new videos. Before we start editing, click the download link in the description box. Click on the free download option. Now, a Filmora installer is downloaded automatically. Just double-click on it, agree with the terms, and here you go! Filmora started to download and install. Once it's installed, it'll start and run automatically. First of all, go to My Media section and open Sample Colors category. Choose the black sample color on track 1. Now go to Titles section and drop the default title on track 2. Double-click on it and type any words as you like. We need the bold font and adjust the text size to 280. Scroll down and increase text spacing to 10 and click OK. Take a screenshot of it and delete all files from the timeline. Now import your video clip to Project Media. You can choose any background video as you like. Drag and drop it on track 1. You need to place playhead at the 15-second position and split the clip. Delete unwanted parts. Now go to Effects section and find the Willow effect, which is under black and white filters. You can also search Willow in the search bar. Apply the effect on your video clip to convert it into black and white. Go to My Media and drop Screenshot on track 2. Place playhead at 2 frames and make this point a start point of screenshot clip and extend it to 14 seconds. Double-click on it and under the Video tab, enable the chroma key and use the color pick tool to select a black color from the preview window. Click on the crop tool and activate the pan and zoom function. Define the end position by choosing the all white section. Press OK. Place playhead further and go to chroma key and decrease edge thickness to -7. Now export this clip at a higher rate. Then delete the screenshot clip from the timeline. Here, double-click on the background video clip. Click on Effects tag and clear the Willow effect. Now extend your video clip duration to 20 seconds. Import the video clip which we exported just before. Drop the video clip on track 2 and adjust the duration at 14 seconds and 14th frame. Now double-click on the black and white clip. Enable the chroma key under the Video tab, use the color picker to select white color from the preview screen and increase edge thickness to 1.5. Click on Render Preview to see the final preview. You can export this clip and get the video in Text Intro. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Plus, subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon, but don't leave without sharing this video, and leave your comment below. Bye!